Let's talk about the divine mothers you need to know and the one mother you don't need to know about. If you're new here, I'm Leanna. I'm a channeler for the Divine Mother energies, which we're going to be talking about who they are, as well as a quantum healing hypnosis practitioner and intuitive guide. If you've not watched any of my other videos, I have a Weaving Galactic History video or series, which in those there is one video that goes more into some of the energies and topics I'm going to talk about. So if you're interested in those topics, I would definitely recommend checking those out, as well as channelings of the Divine Mother energies. So the mother of all creation, I've talked about her before, especially in my video about the all and the body of the all. So the mother of all creation is the body of the all, the mother that allows all to exist from her, and all comes from her, all dimensions, all time, all space. She is in partnership and of God, and God's light and spirit flows through all parts of her and all parts of the all. From her begins the 12 dimensions, with the heart of the all unifying all aspects of God. And then we have the mother of the all. The mother of all is the first aspect of the mother of all creation. Some refer to her as the original Omega, but that can be slightly tricky because there is no original and no end apart from the all. She forms and builds all the dimensions that make up the all, from the beginning or the pinnacle of the 12th dimension. She works in the higher realms of existence to spin from her more mothers and spinners of time and space to create the all. The third one is the cosmic mother. The cosmic mother is home in the 11th dimension. She is the mother from which the creators of the cosmos arise. The energy of all darkness and all light that weave together the creative forces of form and matter, of dimension and frequency. From her comes the cosmic entities, the stars, the moon, the planets, and galaxies that form and create universes. And so, as we have the 11th, 12th dimension and the body of the all, I want to note that this is a point where all light is unified. All light and all darkness is just light. And then there is a fourth mother, who some of you may make connections to who this story is about from other teachings. And that is the lost mother. The lost mother is a piece of the all that was harmed when the overabundance and unnatural dark energy, false energy, flowed through the all. And I talk about this in my Weaving Galactic History videos, how this energy expressed itself in this universe and this galaxy and nearby galaxies. The lost mother is the mother created from the three divine mothers from each of their bodies to be a keeper of the all, to carry the wounds of this toxic energy, this disease, so that we could continue, this universe, this galaxy could continue our growth and evolution towards a solution, a rebalancing and reharmonization of this universe and of the all. Because remember, what we experience, so too do they experience. The lost mother took into her own body what could not be held and allowed herself to be lost, to be hidden, to be tangled in a web of viscous energy. And the lost mother's role is to be found, to reveal the all, to help us come into harmony with our own body, our own mothers, and with the earth. She is our ultimate mother among us so that she can be found and rejoin the heart of the all. The lost mother descended down through the all to experience what was happening in Lyra, in Sirius, in Andromeda, and Arcturus, with the angelics and with Orion and other places. And when she knew that the dark energy that had turned toxic could not be stopped without resetting many of us, many experiences back to the all, she asked to take it into herself and to be placed on earth for thousands of years to assist in the cycles of love and of suppression so that the records could be kept, and to tell the stories of how to make our way back to harmony. She held the secrets and she told the stories to be ready to show us what is needed now. And many of us have a piece of that within us. The divine mothers, which there are more than this, the goddesses, the earth, the planets, the stars, are all weaving a network of space that allows us to exist and experience unconditionally. The mothers that I mention here are the mothers of the all, and the partners of God at the heart of the all, giving us the source of divine expression to choose what we want to experience no matter the path. And there have been falsities of creation, barriers to experiencing unconditionally, barriers to balance and harmony. When that is all that the divine mothers want. And that's what they're here to help us find now. And the collective earth mission of healing the toxic amounts of dark energy that allowed inversions of natural energy, light and dark, to be created and distorted allows for the false light matrix, or as the mother of all creation called it, a false lens or filter on earth that distorts the true light matrix, which is Earth's higher womb, our mother of this earth. And this is what we would call the false mother, an inversion, a distortion of divine mother energy that distorted our love for all, our love for divinity into control and a transactional hierarchy, when in actuality it is a co-creation with the divine. And this false energy is what is being dismantled now. So those are the divine mothers you need to know about, and one false mother. I mentioned the cosmic mother, and when I first started working with her and Archangel Zaphkiel, is when I gained access to the violet flame and black flame. Violet flame is very good at transmutation, clearing, and assisting with raising, transmuting to higher frequencies. The black flame is very protective and harmonizing. It is the color of the void, where all potential and all things can come forth. It's also very protective. I have a blog post about it, which I'll link below if you're interested in activating all your access to rays and sources of light and flames from God, you can do this meditation and then also clear and protect with the violet and black flame. And I know that I'll have more information coming forth about these topics in some form to be seen. So if you're interested, please share, like, and subscribe.